Hi, it's Julie from Sound Transit. I want to tell you about some changes we're making in the coming months and throughout 2023 to improve the rider experience on Link Light Rail. We've heard from you, our communities, and our riders that you want to see more attention on cleaning and on safety. Those are among two of the many initiatives that we are going to do to improve the rider experience on all of our service throughout Puget Sound region. Let me show you what we're going to do. Going forward, you'll see us focusing on cleaning our stations more often over the course of this year. And we're bringing back the trash cans at downtown station platforms. At the Rainier Valley stations, we're adding LED lighting for the stations and the platforms. Now let's talk about elevators and escalators. It's a huge concern for all of us, and we are working to improve these items. In the long term, we will be replacing the old escalators and elevators in the downtown Seattle Tunnel stations. In the meantime, we will continue to have our crews respond to these reported issues as soon as we are aware of them. To increase rider support where they are and as they are riding, we're adding station agents. These will be at Northgate and Westlake stations. And by the way, those are our busiest stations. These agents will answer rider questions and provide rider support. We hope to expand this in coming years based on rider feedback. We've also revamped our security contracts. The security presence will be more visible and it will have improved response times on board and at stations over the course of this year. We're also working with partners to put more focus on helping to connect those people in need with social services resources in real time. The Sound Transit team has already started all of this work. Now, these issues didn't happen overnight, but I want you to know we have heard you and we are taking action now and accelerating through the year. Thank you for riding Link. Look forward to riding with you in the future.